Hello friends, in this video I will be showing you PIR motion sensor demo using Raspberry Pi 3 device. So our problem statement is capture any moving object in front of PIR sensor. So PIR sensor is attached to the Raspberry Pi device that I will show later in this video, and if any movement is done in front of that, so it will detect that movement and then it will execute the image capturing program, and then again it will execute the email sending program to send that image. So what is our prerequisite? Prerequisite is PIR motion sensor, wire jack, Raspberry Pi device, email client SMTP, and Python code. And the execution part. So when the Python code will be executed, it will run in the while loop, that while loop which is always true, and it will listen infinitely and it will wait for any movement. So movement somebody will make the movement, whether it is a cat, dog, or any thief or anybody. So it will capture the image. Webcam is also attached to the Raspberry Pi device, and image will be captured and image will be sent in the mail. So this is the three-phase execution. First is listening for the movement, and second is image capturing, and third is sending the image to the configured email ID. So I'll connect my Raspberry Pi device from VNC, and I is putting date to show you the timestamp, and I will run the program. Now I will ask my friend to do some movement. He will do the movement in front of PIR sensor. You can see the program has executed and motion is detected. So image is captured, and then this image is expected in my email ID which is configured. So I can see here 12:29 AM. I can see the image here. So that friend, he is the mischievous guy here. So you can see finally we got the image if any movement is done. So we can monitor this remotely, we can run the program from anywhere and we can monitor it, and we can also configure the program to run again if that program has ended, so that it can run again. So I'll put the link of all the code and configuration in the description section, and if you want more details you can comment over it. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe the video to get more details.